You can't do it.
I have no sight.
Exactly.
Who remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be? In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss.
And the producer.
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss here.
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Hey, Crumb Boss and producer. Crumb Boss, everybody.
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh, Ratchet, it's like vomit. Like, people don't eat that. It totally stinks.
So here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready. Hold on to your crumb buns, because guess what's coming back?
Yay!
Better, bigger, and so much more exciting. What's the matter?
Towel.
No! Ladies and gentlemen, we're live!
I didn't get a grip on where.
Crumb Boss is trying to decorate this cake, and she
Where's
just...
my towel? I need a towel.
It's there. Come on, Gretchen. Oh, yeah, I can decorate a cake. She put her hand right in the buttercream. Yeah, there you go. All right, so Crumb Boss. Yeah, there you go.
Where's my towel? I need the towel.
Where is it? I don't know. God's sakes, here's the towel. Take this.
Just give me in the face.
I know.
All right.
All right, there she is. The Crumb Boss is blindfolded. She's going to attempt to decorate a cake. Go. And the cake's going to say, all right, what kind of cake you got there?
Chocolate, of course.
Exactly. Uh-huh.
All right.
Yeah, can you do this?
I don't know.
She's blindfolded. Look at her, ladies and gentlemen. That's a nice clean towel you're wearing.
Is it gross?
Yeah.
Well, I needed to wear this at all times.
Look at you're totally blindfolded. You don't know what you're doing. Looks like Steph, the producer, making a cake right now.
All right, come on, coach me a little bit.
Okay, ready? What you want to do is you turn your board. Good. You're going, no, it's a little out. Go ahead, feel the edges.
A little out.
A little
What does that
edges.
mean?
Feel the edges.
Yeah, I am.
You feel the edges?
Yeah.
All right, good. Keep going with your buttercream.
Man, you tied this so tight.
You know why? Because you need to be blindfolded, Gretchen. Okay. Yeah, get your other... Let's look at how she just filled this cake, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, good. Now put the second layer on it. You really can't see, can you?
No. What, you think I cheat? I don't cheat.
Yeah. Look. Look how dirty it is. It looks. You got red. You got these roses. It's your spatula. Oh my God. Crumb Boss, you're like out of your element.
Well, I can't see.
You're totally out of your element. How does it feel?
It feels really horrible.
It feels like how Steph, the producer. Well, that's why I'm not doing my videos. Everybody makes fun of me. I'm kidding.
I didn't really need the cake comb.
Okay, there you go.
See, I can't see how much I have.
Yeah, you have a ton. There's not a ton on the cake, Gretchen. Yeah, there you go. Better? All right, good. Yeah, better.
Yeah, you need to coach me. If I'm going to be blind, you got to help me. Come on.
You said you can do this, so make that.
I don't know if I can do this.
No, you said you could do it. All right, so there. Gretchen, put the buttercream down the side of the cake.
I'm trying. I can't feel where the sides are. All right, I got to touch this thing. It's gonna fall off the thing.
Oh, yeah, look at you. You stink.
Ow, my shoulder hurts.
You can't cry.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, good. Now,
I needed this towel.
Get rid of the towel. It's disgusting.
Well, I gotta clean off my hands. Where's my...
Look how crappy it looks. It looks like my cake.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, come on, try to put her. I'm dying. I'm gonna pee in my pants. This looks like a cake that I would make. You can't do it.
I have no sight.
Exactly. You're blindfolded trying to make a cake. Look at it. Oh, it's hysterical. I thought I was bad. Oh my God, if you saw this right now.
Here, it is bad if your cakes look like mine when I'm blindfolded.
Oh my God. Gretchen, you really, look
Wait,
at
did
that.
I do all the sides yet?
Gretchen, you're a pastry chef master. All right, here, get another.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's
Okay, where's
so
my
pretty.
writing tip?
Here, put a rose on it. They're right
Well,
here.
first I gotta write.
Yeah, but you got 4 minutes. 4 minutes to make a cake from hell. Holy crap!
Usually I Okay.
The Crumb Boss is blindfolded, everybody, and she's trying to make a cake. This is sick.
What am I writing?
Crumb Boss TV is the best. Oh my God! What's wrong with the cake? I'm gonna pee in my pants.
I can't see anything. Okay. Hey, put my finger where I would start boss.
Okay, right here, Gretchen. There. Right, boss. Or just write blend. Blend in. Oh my God. Wait till you see this.
Okay, where's the flower?
All right, flowers are right there. Go get the flowers. Put them on. Oh my God. What does it feel like?
I can't see anything.
All right, are you all done?
Yes.
All right, so right now, the Crumb Boss is done. Here's your towel. Take this.
Thank you.
All right, Crumb Boss, let me ask you a question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you think this looks?
100.
What do you think? What do you think? Do you think it looks good?
No, I think it probably looks like crap.
Okay. Okay, ready? Well, take your blindfold off.
How did you tie it?
I don't know. Just rip it off your head.
Yeah, you've tied it so tight I can't even get it off.
Yeah.
Oh, it's perfect.
There's your cake.
Oh, I can't see anything.
You can't, right?
In my hair.
Wait, look at your cake. It looks like mine.
Oh my God, it's perfect.
Gretchen, I can
did a
do
good
better than that.
job.
No, you didn't.
What? You tied it into my hair.
Now look, she's all mad now. Look, the Crumb Boss, this master pastry chef, is all mad.
Oh, I can't see. You tied it so tight. My eyelash.
Okay, all right. It's Stephanie. Do you see me now? Hi.
Sorry.
All right, good.
This is amazing for being blind.
Blindfolded, Gretchen. You're not blind. I bet you $10 I can do it better.
I drew Crumb Boss.
What happened?
Steph, the producer.
Coming soon. Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at Funhouse TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery.